So, welcome back guys to my channel. Today is gonna be a short clip. I just gonna show you how you can change your mirror caps and change it without taking out the glass, the mirror glass. If you do that, it's risk you crack it like this. Där ja. And you don't want to crack it like that. So this mod just take like 10 minutes to do. So it's very easy to do and everyone can do it, and I recommend to do it because it looks so much better with this new mirror caps. And don't forget to subscribe. So here is the mirror caps. I took a gamble and bought it from Amazon, and it turned out to be cheap and great. It looks awesome. I don't gonna go for the carbon fiber. I want the glossy black because most of the details on my car is glossy black or gonna be black. So I think this will fit really good. And you got this nice trim tool. And here is the another one. So I don't, like I said, I don't gonna remove the glass because it costs a lot to replace if you are unlucky. So you just start here to bend and work your way around like this, and be patient when you do it. Just like that. And I don't know if this was broken before, but the other two is actually fine. I thought this was broken before. The last owner actually changed it to black one. I have the silver one too, so maybe this was broken before. But you can see this is gonna save you a lot of money. So you not crack anything, and this is how easy it is to replace it. It looks so clean and nice with this little wing. And you just do the same process on the other side.
To believe only in the evening catch me. Want you to dream, I want you to dream. I want you to dream. Tree.
So, like I saw, it was the most easy mod you can ever do. I highly recommend to do it. Everyone can do it, and it's so cheap, and the car looks great with these mirror caps. You got a bit of M3 look, I would say, and you can choose carbon fiber or glossy black, what you now like most. So yeah, this was a short video, but I hope it helped you if you wonder how to do it. And if you like the video, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey.